I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a car.
Welcome back with another video. I'll be installing a balding wig and showing you how to fix it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Part the hair around the hairline and cut around where it's not balding. Spray lace tint spray inside the wig so it can match your skin. I'm using braiding gel to lay down my lace. Use your hot comb and lay down the lace till it's flat. Take some makeup and I'm going to create a fake part. Use your wax stick to blend the makeup onto the lace. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass, and a